Okay, it's taste test number 5. Okay, I can see, Jeffrey. It's sick. Don't look.
But
It's right there.
Have to look at it.
It's right there.
Mason have to look at it.
Yeah, because accidentally. It's right there, right in front of your head. Now drink it.
Okay, it smells kind of hot. Oh, God.
Drink it.
I'm looking.
Okay, fine. You can look.
I can smell the house.
Just yeah. Okay, now you can.
Is this egg yolk?
No. It's 2 things.
Banana peppers. Juice,
And
goldfish.
no, get in. Drink it. You have to drink it.
I'm in my sink. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh!
It's banana pepper sauce and Tabasco. And Tabasco.
You put a pepper in there?
No, it's not a pepper. It's sauce. Go. Drink it. Dude, we're seriously losing film. It smells weird. Go. Guess.
It's that hot, red hot stuff thing in water.
No.
I don't know, vinegar.
What's that? No, it's not hot.
It's banana pepper sauce.
Nope. It looks like it, I know.
Oh, it's pickle juice.
You're wrong.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not, I swear. It's something even more messed up.
It smells like pickles.
It's not pickles. Go, hurry up. We don't have a lot of film. No.
It tastes like pickles completely.
It's relish.
I hate relish.